For today's video, I used these Artist Loft ready mixed pouring paints. I had white and red, and this is a pearl color. And then I also had golden Quinacridone, Magenta, and green gold. And then I also used a little bit of golden, the yellow light, and iridescent copper in the leaves. And then to make my really dark green, today I mixed just regular acrylic paints, Carbon Black and Hansa Yellow. And I put them in this silicone cup and I mixed them with the Floetrol. A little bit of Floetrol, and was able to get that deeper, darker green color. Well, thank you for joining me today. This is Tammy. So here I am just going to begin filling out my canvas, and this is one that I tried to do something on the other day and it didn't work out, so I just scraped all the paint off. So here I'm adding the white paint from Artist Loft that is already a flow paint. So I'm just filling in this small round piece, and then I'm going to smooth that over, kind of like icing a cake, over the whole top of the surface here before moving on. And I'll probably go back later after this top part dries and just paint the edges because it's not flowing over the way it would on a regular pour. So now I'm dropping in just the dark kind of olive color that I made out of yellow and black. It makes a really nice deep dark green. So I'll put that on either side. On the one that I did the other day on an 8x10, I tried to split it diagonally with the blue on one side and white on the other. But for this one, I decided to just start, to just do it with a white background since it's a smaller canvas. So I'm just going to start blowing out and you can watch. Now I'm taking some of the red and I'm going to place it in a few spots. And this will be the beginning of my flowers. And after that, I'm going to add a little of the Quinacridone, actually a little bit of the white that I had created earlier. This is white with a little bit of silicone. So I'm hoping that this will help encourage some cells. And now I'm going to put on some Quinacridone Magenta, just a little bit in the center of each of those little petals. Then I'm going to use my straw and start blowing out some petals. Now I'm going to take my little wooden skewer and start drawing in a few lines, trying to make the leaves look like they have some vein lines and stems, just giving it a little bit more interest. I'll do that on this side as well. And it kind of, gives a little bit more interest to the composition as a whole, dragging a little bit of it out into the white like that, and dragging the white in to the green. And I'll do the same with my flowers, trying to differentiate the petals by pulling in some white. And this works so much better than my last try at this. This was not my own mixture. I just used the acrylic pour paints straight from the bottle, and that seemed like a better thickness. A little bit thicker than when I made my own mixture. So I'm much happier with how this one's turning out. And I am seeing a little bit of cell reaction, so that's good too. Just trying to add some curlicues, give it maybe a little bit more of a whimsical look.